welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. Today I'm doing a super easy and super quick raita. That's a cucumber raita. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, so now we are doing cucumber raita. Ingredients for the same. Here I have 1 cup of curd. Then I have half a cup of finely chopped cucumber and chopped coriander. To that we're going to add some salt, black pepper and roasted cumin powder. That's jeera powder. Here we have our curd. To that I'm going to add my chopped coriander, cucumber, some black pepper, some roasted jeera, and last some salt. Now I'm going to mix this well. And our quick and easy cucumber raita is ready. Lastly, you can add some roasted jeera and some no sugar Heinz ketchup on top. Our cucumber raita is ready. It's an excellent source if you want to keep yourself hydrated. Second, it is extremely good for your gut as cucumber and curd improves digestion. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation whenever we do all these amazing videos. Also, please share the same with friends and family. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you next time.